Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. Many years ago, Drafts appeared on iOS and proved to be an invaluable application. Immediately I wrote to the developer and asked him if he had any plans for a Mac version. Unfortunately, at the time, my question was met with a resounding no, but fast forward to 2019 and Drafts is now available for the Mac. If you're not familiar with Drafts, it's a writing application that's intended to be the starting point whenever you start writing, regardless of the final target of your written words. Rather than open a word processor to create an article or open your mail application to write an email, just open Drafts, write your text and send it to the target application later. No more procrastinating over what application is needed, just launch Drafts and start writing. So let's take a look at Drafts on the Mac. So this is Drafts for the Mac across on the Mac App Store. Now we have covered Drafts on iOS previously in episodes 739 and 761, so check out those shows for an in-depth look at Drafts on iOS. Now Drafts on the Mac is in two versions. There's the Standard Drafts and Drafts Pro. Now the Standard Drafts is free, but you do need a subscription to Drafts Pro, and that will cover you for both the Mac and iOS versions. It's available with monthly and annual subscriptions. I think it's around £1.79 and £17.49 respectively. Now the Pro version does allow you to sync between Mac and iOS seamlessly, but it also enables some other quite smart features as well. Now as always, I already have Drafts installed on my Mac, so if I just go ahead and say open, this takes me to the main Drafts window. Because this is the first time I've started to use Drafts, my Drafts list is empty. So we have a list of drafts here, no drafts found. It's also presented me with a blank canvas to start typing. Now, if I've been using Drafts for a while, there is a timer setting. I think by default it's 30 minutes, so that if you're working on a draft and then move away from Drafts and come back, if it's within 30 minutes, the original draft will be presented to you, or you'll be presented with a new blank draft to complete. But that time delay is configurable within the preferences. We'll take a look at that later. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.